Creating a cozy Thanksgiving atmosphere adds warmth and charm to your gathering, making guests feel right at home. Here are some quick and simple ways to bring that holiday magic to life. 1. Warm lighting. Candles. Scatter unscented or lightly scented candles across the table or around the room for a soft glow. Place them in clusters for a more dramatic effect. String lights. Use warm-toned string lights around windows, mantels, or as a centerpiece runner to add a magical, intimate feel. Dim overhead lights. Adjust main lights to a lower setting and rely on candles and lamps to set a cozy, inviting ambience. 2. Fall-inspired centerpieces. Mini pumpkins and gourds. Arrange small pumpkins, gourds, and squashes along the center of the table or in a bowl. Mix in some fresh rosemary or eucalyptus for added greenery. Rustic elements. Use a wooden tray or basket filled with seasonal items like pine cones, acorns, or cinnamon sticks. Simple floral arrangements. A small vase with fall flowers, like mums or sunflowers, brings in color and life without taking up too much table space. 3. Comfortable table settings. Layered textures. Use cloth napkins, a linen tablecloth, or a plaid table runner to bring a sense of coziness to your dining area. Personalize place cards. Small name cards or handwritten notes for each guest add a personal touch. Try tucking them into a mini pine cone or tying them with a small ribbon. Earthy tones. Go for earthy or muted colors like deep greens, browns, or burgundy in your tableware or napkins for a warm, fall-inspired color palette. 4. Seasonal scents. Simmer pot. Create a warm scent by simmering a pot of water with apple slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peel on the stove. Scented candles. A few autumn-scented candles, such as pumpkin spice or apple cider, will fill the space with holiday fragrance. Fresh herbs. Place rosemary or thyme sprigs around the table, which add both a lovely scent and fresh touch. 5. Relaxed. Self-serve beverage station. Hot drink bar. Set up a small station with spiced apple cider, tea, or hot cocoa and add fun toppings like whipped cream, cinnamon sticks, and marshmallows. Wine and cider. Let guests serve themselves with a selection of wine, cider, or sparkling water. This setup allows them to relax and mingle. 6. Soft background music. Seasonal playlist. Play a soft playlist of autumn-inspired or acoustic tunes to create a warm, nostalgic atmosphere. Volume and selection. Keep it low enough that guests can easily chat, but festive enough to create ambience. 7. Cozy textiles for extra warmth. Throw blankets and pillows. If you have extra seating areas, add a few cozy throws or pillows in warm tones for a welcoming touch. Rugs. If possible, a soft area rug can anchor the dining area, adding to the warmth and making the space feel even cozier. These small touches go a long way in creating a warm, inviting space where friends and family can relax and enjoy the holiday together.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms. Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.